Cleaning your Ninja Nutri Blender and Ninja Nutri Blender Pro after every use is just as easy as blending a drink in it. Ninja conveniently ensures that all cups, lids, and blades that come with these blenders are dishwasher safe. If you prefer to clean in the dishwasher, make sure the blade assemblies are removed from the cups before placing in your dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, you can also hand wash the cups, blades, and lids in warm soapy water. Use a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct contact with the blades. Exercise care when handling the blade assembly as the blades are sharp. Thoroughly rinse all parts and allow to air dry. If you get anything stuck on the motor base, that is easy to clean as well. Make sure the unit is unplugged, then wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth. Now your unit is clean and ready to use again. For more information on the Ninja Nutri Blender and Ninja Nutri Blender Pro, visit ninjakitchen.com.